mustache and my beard for making this video. Today I will try out 3 packs for hair removal. 2 of them were suggested by famous YouTubers and 1 by my mother. So keep watching. Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. For the first face pack, I will have to take a pinch of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and rose water. I will have to heat the mixture for some time while stirring it. I couldn't stir it while the camera is on because I was holding the camera with one hand. I applied the mixture after it cooled down, but as you can see, it didn't work. For the second time, I applied it while it was still hot, but still it didn't work. I don't know why, but this is not working for me. It is falling off. I can't even apply it. So I guess I will try making it again for the 3rd time. So this time I made this a little bit liquidy, not too liquidy, but you can see it is not that thick. So I will try using it again. It is looking like a jam, mango jam, but I think this will work now. So I'm going to apply it on my chin area where I have hair. Now I will wait for it to dry. It will take around 4-5 minutes, I guess. And for your information, I haven't applied any makeup here. I just applied lipstick and that's it. No eyeliner, no nothing. So see you after 4-5 minutes. So I have just realized that according to the video I am supposed to remove it when it is still little bit wet. So I am going to just rub it off now as shown in the video. But it actually didn't do anything. It is still wet. But I don't know. Should I wait for another 5 minutes? Should I wait for it to dry a little bit more? But hair is not coming off from anywhere, so I guess this is a flop for me. If I have done anything wrong in the process, please let me know in the comment section. I might try it again, but for now I don't think this is working for me. So let's go ahead with the next tip. So for the next mask I need an egg white of an egg. So I have pierced a hole into it. I guess this much of the egg white is enough. I will eat the rest. No, I will take the full egg actually, because or else I will mess up with the proportions. So in the egg white I need to add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and 1 teaspoon of coarse sugar. Now I will mix it really well until I get a smooth paste. So here's the smooth paste I'm going to apply on my mustache. No, actually on my beard. So I'm going to let it dry, and while waiting for it to dry, I'm going to try my mother's DIY hair removal pack on my mustache. So I made a pancake with the leftover batter. Let me taste it. It is good, really good. Must try. We will see whether this pack is also a must try or not. I cannot talk properly, but because this part has stiffened. So for my mother's, for the face pack suggested by my mother, I need a tablespoon of ground flour, a pinch of turmeric, and enough raw milk to make it into a paste. So I used around 1 teaspoon of milk, raw milk. It should come to like this consistency. Now I'm going to apply it on my mustache. When I was a child, my mother used to apply this all over my body. So I will wait for these two to dry. Until then, I'm going to enjoy this pancake. It is a thin pancake, but it is yummy. See you after few minutes. See you after few minutes. I'm supposed to peel off the mask. After it dries, it will come off in small pieces. After some time, I thought of rubbing off the mask to fasten the process, but peeling it off works better. I am supposed to peel off the mask on my mustache as well. I feel the last two packs works, but it didn't remove my mustache and beard completely. But I also feel that these packs are very harsh on my skin. My upper lips and my chin area is burning. So I would prefer shaving my face with my facial razor. But you can definitely use these face packs consistently if you want to slow down the growth of your facial hair. Since these are all natural remedies, these will take time to completely remove your facial hair. So hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching Life Addictions. Bye bye.